Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's puzzled many. Why doesn't space have oxygen? Let's get right into it. First off, we all know oxygen is essential for life as we know it. Here on Earth, we're surrounded by it, thanks to our atmosphere, which is about 21% oxygen. But once you leave our planet, things change drastically. Let's talk about what space really is. Space is essentially a vast, empty vacuum. It's not just a big, dark place where planets and stars hang out. A vacuum means there's no air, no particles, and certainly no oxygen. But why? To understand this, we need to talk about gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls matter together. Earth's gravity holds onto our atmosphere, keeping the oxygen close to us. In space, there isn't enough gravity to hold on to gas molecules. They just drift away into the infinite expanse. Another point to consider is the sheer size of space. Space is so vast that any oxygen molecules would be incredibly spread out. Even if there were a few oxygen molecules floating around, they'd be so far apart that it wouldn't make a difference. Now, you might be wondering, but what about planets and moons in space? Don't they have atmospheres and oxygen? Good question. Some do have thin atmospheres, but they're very different from Earth's. For example, Mars has a thin atmosphere mostly made of carbon dioxide. Our moon has almost no atmosphere at all. In fact, oxygen is relatively rare in the universe. It's the third most abundant element, but it's usually bound up in compounds like water ice or in the oxygen-rich rocks on the surfaces of moons and planets. Free-floating oxygen is hard to come by. So what does this mean for space travel? It means astronauts have to bring their own oxygen with them. Spacecraft are equipped with life support systems that generate oxygen from water through a process called electrolysis. This is crucial for their survival. To sum it up, space doesn't have oxygen because it's a vast, empty vacuum without enough gravity to hold onto gas molecules. Any oxygen that might exist is too sparse to be of any use. Fascinating, right? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science content. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.